Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with Revolut Junior. First, understand that Revolut Junior is a smart money management tool for young people, controlled by a parent or guardian. Apple Pay offers a secure, convenient way to make transactions using Apple devices. Combining these allows young users to make secure digital payments while parents retain oversight. This setup requires an existing Revolut account for the parent and an Apple device for the junior user. To begin, a parent or guardian must open their main Revolut app and navigate to the junior section. Here, you can easily create a new Revolut Junior account for your child. Follow the on-screen prompts to input their details and set spending limits, which are crucial for responsible financial management. Once the account is active, you can then order a physical Revolut Junior card, which is essential for the next step. This card usually arrives within 5 to 10 business days. Once the physical Revolut Junior card arrives, the young user can add it to their Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on their iPhone or Apple Watch, then tap the plus sign to add a new card. Scan the physical card or manually enter its details. Revolut will then initiate a quick verification process, often through a text message to the parent's phone or via the Revolut app, to confirm the card's legitimacy. This step ensures security and proper authorization before use. With the card successfully added, using Apple Pay is straightforward. At a payment terminal, simply double-click the side button on an iPhone or Apple Watch, then hold the device near the reader. The transaction will complete quickly and securely. Remember, all transactions made with Apple Pay are instantly viewable in the parent's Revolut app, offering full transparency. Encourage young users to always be mindful of their surroundings and keep their device's security features, such as Face ID or Touch ID, active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.